So hiring a mobile mechanic has completely changed my Turo business. Not only is it more convenient in a lot of instances, except oil changes because it's such a small price to go out for. They do charge a premium for oil changes, but on almost all other maintenance and repairs we're doing on vehicles, it's actually become more cost effective. Beyond that, the thing that I like about mobile mechanics is that they are entrepreneurs. They are trying to get a business up off the ground. And for example, the one that we hired used to have vehicles that he had others drive as well. So he was able to make suggestions to us on the maintenance that we're doing that no other mechanic would tell us because they're working at a shop. They don't really understand the idea of what it's like when people are renting your car, beating the absolute tar out of it and driving it aggressively, not well, and all of that stuff. So he actually recommended, and here's a massive tip for your Turo fleet, to do your tune-ups and your fluid services like transmission fluid, differential, brake fluid, stuff like that, power steering. Check all of those fluids way more frequently. Tune-ups, they say usually you do like every 100,000 miles. He said do it every 30,000 miles. Transmission fluid service, they say you never have to touch it. Do it every 30,000 miles. This will preserve the life, because if you listen to what manufacturer recommendations are, you have to take into consideration that they're kind of hoping that your engine and transmission goes, so that way you can come in after it's out of warranty and have to put a new one in. So if you want to preserve the life of your cars, these are the things that our mobile mechanic has taught us. And I know it firsthand because our Acura RDX, the 2012, had 118,000 miles on it, and we had to put a new transmission in it. That's a car that's supposed to last for 300,000 miles, no problem. It's a Honda. But here we were, the car's getting beat on by our guests, and then all of a sudden the transmission goes. We had to put a new one in, $2,300 to get a used one in there. And if we had just taken care of the transmission fluid, chances are that wouldn't have happened. So I very much am thankful. I think that was one of the best moves we made, was bringing this mobile mechanic on. We're buying our time back. We're reducing our total maintenance cost per vehicle, and it's helping us to expand our fleet in a way that helps not use too much of our time. So if you like this kind of content, don't forget, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know, how are you doing maintenance on your Turo fleet? And stay tuned for the journey, because we're focusing here on health, wealth, and freedom. Take care, everybody.